This entire video, the footage, the captions, the voice sync, was built by code. No editing software, no camera, no face, just 3 free tools and about 2 hours. Here's exactly how. If you have tried making faceless YouTube videos, you know the pain. Stock footage subscriptions, expensive AI voice tools, editing software with a 2-week learning curve. Most AI money videos on YouTube skip this part entirely. They show you the result, never the process. Today, I'm showing you the actual process, the actual code, and the actual free tools. 3 tools, all free or free tier. First, Remotion, an open-source, React-based framework that turns code into video. Second, Pexels, a free stock photo and video API. Third, a text-to-speech engine for the voiceover. That's the entire stack. No paid editing suite required. Here's the shift in thinking. Instead of dragging clips on a timeline, you write components. Instead of manually syncing audio, the code reads the audio file's real duration and calculates the timing for you. It sounds harder, but once it's set up, you can regenerate an entire video by changing a few lines of text. Step 1. Install the framework with a single command. Step 2. Drop your voiceover files into the public folder. Step 3. Write a small data file, I call it segments, that lists each part of your video, the text, the color theme, and search keywords for background images. This is the part that makes it actually automated. A function reads every audio file, measures its exact length, and builds the entire video timeline automatically. No manual guessing, no gaps, no cutoff audio. Then a second script searches for images matching each section's keywords and downloads them straight into the project. The code adds a zoom effect, a fallback for failed images, kinetic captions synced to each phrase, and a progress bar. All generated, not manually edited. One render command later, and you get a finished video file. Captions, motion graphics, synced narration, all from a folder of audio files and a data file. This exact process built the documentary you're seeing right now. The real value isn't the one video, it's that the entire pipeline is reusable. Change the script, change the images, change the voice, and you regenerate a brand new video from the same code. If you want to see the full code and try this yourself, everything's linked below. Subscribe if you want the next build, because this is just the beginning of what's possible when you stop editing videos and start engineering them.